Hello everyone, welcome back from pvcboosty.com. If you are business owner, freelancer, digital marketer or who want to learn Google Ads from scratch, then this video only for you. In this tutorial, I will show you how exactly set up Google Ad step by step. My goal is not where to click but also explain each setting is matter. So watch this video until the end. I will share some common beginner mistake and you should avoid them. This is Amin, top rated Google Ad specialist from pvcboosty.com. So let's go on my computer and create a Google Ad account first. Now open your browser and write ads.google.com. Then you will get this type of interface. Here you can see sign in and start now button. Before clicking start now button, I will share some Google offer. Here you can see your 500 in ad credit ad. Sign up and complete billing setup and redeem your offer. Terms apply. So what's terms? Let's explain. Google always say, if you spend $500 within 60 days, then you will get 500 ad credit completely free. If you spend $2,000 within 60 days, then Google give you $1,050. And if you spend $4,050, then Google give you 3,000 ad credit within 60 days. So we just select first offer and start now claim. Then here you can see you have to give your information. Okay. So add your business information here. Write your business name and your website. Then click the next page. Reviewing your URL and finally you will get the next page. And if you have YouTube channel, have Google My Business profile, then you can connect easily. If you want, we can connect before, next time and later, no problem. Skip and also your goal, just keep and set up ad account only. Click this one because we will not ready for campaign, just we are set up our ad account only here. So click this one and here you can see select your country and time zone and currency. Must select your own country currency, then click next, continue, and here you can see you have to create a payment profile. Just click here and if your organization or individual, just input your information, then create input information and you will get, as for example, now add your payment method, credit card or debit card, then submit all information, then your ad account will be ready. Okay, so I hope you can understand how we can create a Google ad account very easily. So when your Google ad account is ready, then we will be ready for your first campaign. So we will show the next part. So continue this video. Okay, thank you so much. Great, our account is ready. Now come to the most important part, setting up campaign correct. Many beginners waste money by choosing wrong settings. So I will share with you exact settings and why it's matter. So let's go. So our Google ad account is ready. Now we are ready for launch your first campaign. For launching, you need to know, you have to mention this step. First of all, you have to set up conversion tracking. Without tracking, you should not run Google ad because first of all, Google not optimize your Google ads, and also you cannot track how many conversation do you get. So basically you can do it very easily. Suppose, as for example, you want to track phone call ads from your businesses, just go create a conversation and just save and continue. Here you can see conversation from phone calls, call ads, call from website, call via uploads. Save and continue, and here just select phone calls and create a conversation, call from ads, and then save, and finally you will get the finish option. Then very easily you can track conversation, but it is very easy way. But if you want to track lead submission, sales, purchase tracking, lead tracking, then you have to use GTM Google Tag Manager. So in my channel there has a video, I will share with you, then you can follow, and if you think you need help here, you can reach out me, my team help you. Okay, so don't worry about that. So just skip at this moment conversation tracking. Then you have to know campaign goal selection. So if you go Google main account, then here you can see new campaign. When you select new campaign, here you can see the objective: sales, lead, website traffic, app promotion, YouTube reach, local store visit and create campaign without guidance. If you want to create a campaign without guidance, then you don't need to tracking any setup. But if you want to set up for sales and leads, then you must have tracking setup. So for example, I just go with leads, and here you can see we already have lead submission tracking already. That you can add another goals, phone calls. We can add here, then continue. Okay, so here you can see we can select our campaign goal. Then third part is campaign type. I will share something that there has a lots of campaign type. Here you can see performance max. That means your ads will show everywhere: Google search, YouTube, Gmail, Google Map, and others. And but if you select search, then Google only show your ads in search. If you select demand gen, then your video will be show YouTube, email, map, and others. And also video ad, you will see, then your ad will show on YouTube platform. And if you select shopping, then just your ad will be show already you have marketing center, and it will show on Google search bars. So it is very completely so you have to select which campaign do you want to run. Okay, so I think if you want to lead campaign, then I always suggest use search campaign. Then after week you can launch performance campaign, and then you can compare which is working best for you. So then continue with search. Okay, just select search, and here you can see your object is phone call. Just select phone calls. Okay, then continue. Okay, so you have to give a campaign name. Okay, so give me a campaign name according to you. Then I'm continue with him. Then it is the most important part, conversation. What is the conversation? Conversation is so important. Here you can see conversation value, clicks, impression. Okay, so if you are the completely beginner, and if you want to create a new ad account, then you don't have any data. So I suggest you please click the clicks, maximum click, please select. Okay, then after a week or 10 days later, then you can select conversion. Okay, so Google, after if you select first conversion, then I think you will not get any traffic. But if you select click bidding, then I think you will get the traffic. Okay, so set a maximum click. You have to research keyword, and you will get the idea. Then you can select maximum your CPC. So you can control CPC. So just select CPC $2. You will pay $2 per click. But if you don't get any click, then you have to increase your CPC. Okay, so now we can do 2.5. But so I hopefully you understand. If you because Google platform is always working auction platform. Okay, so you have to you can use manual bidding. But if you set automatic, if you don't worry about the budget, then you can select automatic bidded. But I always suggest click manual CPC. Okay, then then go to the next, and here you can see target your location. Always here you can see enter your location. Go to the advanced search. Here you can see target. You can target bulk location. You can target using by radius. So depend on your target location, and also depend on your bulk location. So you can use here. And here you can see always select presence people, because presence or interest is not if you target a specific area, then always target presence people. As per example, I'm from Bangladesh and your service is United States of America, but I cannot take your service from you. If I show your ads, it is doesn't relevant to you and also me. So the people only who take your service and only this location, you should avoid others location. So that's why you have to use this one. Okay, then if you have other language, then you can click here. You can see English, Danish, and other language you have to select. Okay, so here you can see we have select campaign settings, campaign name, networks, location, language, and schedule. You can schedule your ad very easily. Here you can see just select you political ads. No, this is not political ads. And here you can see you can schedule your campaign. Where you can see just click here, you can see add schedule. If you want to run your campaign all day, then select. If you want to run campaign Monday to Friday, you can do it. You can run your campaign 8 p.m. to 5 p.m. Then you can do. Here you can select 8 p.m. As per example, my ad will be 8 a.m. and my ad will be finish is 5 p.m. Okay, here you can see just select. So you can add this another way. So you can do ad schedule very easily. Then go to the next part. Okay, and next part is so important. So here you can see campaign settings is done. Okay, then it is the most important part to keyword research. Awesome. Set up campaign correctly. Now let's create ad which people see on Google. I shall share with you how to create strong ad copy, asset and other things using AI. So let's go. So our keyword is ready. Now we need to write a very attractive and relevance ad copy. Okay. So for this one, I will take a help Claude AI. So I already generated a prompt, write a prompt. Just this is very dynamic prompt. Just use it. Okay. So I just copy this prompt and paste. Okay. Then here you can see they are configuring. Okay. Then they already got it. Now we need to paste our keyword. Just paste keyword and copy keyword and paste here. Here we can see this keyword is generating ad copy. You can use all this ad copy, but before adding this ad copy you need to review manually. Thus you can understand everything working for you. Okay, so AI can mistake, so you need to manual review, then you can approve. So here you can see plot are thinking now, then they will write very attractive ad copy. Okay, perfect. Here you can see for first ad group already keyword, already ad copy is generated. So just paste it here and you can use it. Okay, so you can use this ad copy, description, display path, site links, call out, structure snippet, everything you have. Okay, just manually review and select the best one. So just go our Google ad account and here you can see, then we need to go the next part. Okay, so they are try to getting the our final keyword. So I just write our final website URL, just write here and I just skip. Okay, skip this one and we need to write final URL here. And here you can see you can import all headline here, structure snippet, then you need to go next and set up your budget and review everything, and after review everything if okay, then you can publish your campaign. So in this way you can publish your campaign very easily. So if you don't understand anything, ask me in comment. So thank you so much. That's the tutorial for you. I hope this step-by-step guideline help you understand how to set up Google Ads for you. If you found this video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification button that you never mistake and future Google Ads tutorial. And if you are business owner, if you want to manage Google Ad account by me or my team, then feel free to contact us on my WhatsApp number and we shall happy to discuss with your business and answer your questions and work with you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I will see you in the next video.